Hi, this is Lumen. Today we are gonna take our field trip here in Mingchi Forest Recreational Area. This is the parking lot beside Mingchi Hotel. Let's go take a look at the giant tree first. Today is a weekday, so there are a few visitors. On the way to the giant tree, we will pass wood cabins and Mingchi Hotel. Rows of wood cabins. They look shabby. I have no idea if they are in use or not. I can hear the sound of the kitchen from the right side. This is the restaurant of this hotel. I just parked the motorbike here. Now I'm walking up to the giant tree. After watching it, I will walk to the entrance of Mingchi Recreational Area along the road below. Mingchi Giant Tree. It's 31 meters high and 1,500 years old. That way, we can head to the whole section of wood cabins, so we are not going backward a few steps. I walk downward, heading to Mingchi. Along the stairs, there is an artificial river in the shape of stairs. I can imagine the water must be cold. Give it a try. Wow, so cold. Leaving the premise of Mingchi Hotel, I walk downward, heading to the entrance of Mingchi. That is the exit. I will come out from there. A very rough fence. It is simply built with a row of sharpened wood sticks. Here comes the pond. In contrast, wood pavement is softer with a little bit of elasticity. Maybe it's because it's humid here. A very historical street lamp. It's lined with traffic cones. It means parking is not allowed here. Cars have to be parked in the parking lot above. It costs $100 per time. Mingchi Forest Recreational Park. Let's go buy the ticket. Drones are forbidden. I made a vain attempt to use the drone again. It's alright. The scenery is also beautiful from here on the ground. Gorgeous. I plan to walk around the lake counterclockwise and then leave here from that wood, reaching the forest classroom. Let's go! Orange daylily. At first, I'm heading to the lake to see if there are fish. Now let's move toward the first pavilion. I just took that way above to get here. Here we also have balls of fish, but different from the ones in Sun Moon Lake. This is made of kois, not made of tiger fish. It's delightful to watch them. Literally, there's no sunshine, but it insists taking a sun bath over there. Leaving the pavilion, keep walking on. There are poisonous plants, stinging nettles. The maple trees here have tiny leaves, different from the maple trees on the sea level. With just a little altitude, the leaves of green maple trees become much smaller. Their leaves on the sea level are the same size of my palm, but here they are so small. The public toilet is like a fort. Maybe people can use it with a sense of safety. A path is here, so should I take it walking on? What a huge Taiwan crepe myrtle! Very beautiful stone stairs, but they don't lead deep into the mountains. Over there is a wooden platform, allowing people to watch the lake, rest, and picnic. Here's a way and there's the other below it, but I can't see the lake on this way, so I choose the lower one. It looks like a deer horn. This is the other side of the lake. I was on the bank across from here. Wow, black and white swans. The upper path leads here. I walk with one hand holding an umbrella and the other a smartphone. I have to be very cautious. 2 black swans and a white one. So beautiful. Despite inconvenience, rain brings a different atmosphere. Now I'm back here at the entrance. The white one turns out to be a plain goose. It's my first time to see this kind of group, and also my first time to hear the sound of swans. I wonder if the swans take themselves as geese, or the goose sees itself as a swan. I keep looking at them so long that the rain goes away. Now I'm taking the same way for a short distance, then heading to the exit up front on the right. Now I'm leaving the lake and getting into a forest. Actually, this forest is just the passage leading to Mingchi Hotel, but I think it feels so good. Here we are, a wood of cryptomeria, and an old and simple wooden path intersects it. This place is called Garden of Fern, an artificial wood of cryptomeria. Maybe most of the visitors come here only to take a walk by the pond, without venturing into the forest, and deliberately feeling it. Although this path is artificial, it has absolutely become a part of nature. I feel I'm just walking on fallen trunks. The exit is over there, but wait a minute before getting out. Let's move this way first. What a pity. It would be a pity if you come here only to watch the lake. Jueyuan sounds like the Mandarin for insulator, and this garden of fern can serve as an insulator between us and all the earth's trouble and worry. When the name was chosen, besides the fact that the fern covers almost all the ground, was the function of this wood taken into consideration? Luman's field trip. Thanks for watching. See you next time.